Here is our fifth class. Fifth class we have done, is it? SLA complete or cancel at what stage we will be doing it? Let me also share my screen. I hope you are able to see my screen, correct?
Yes, sir.
Can you help me to answer the first question, please? And just keep recording in your notepad or somewhere. So once we are done, we can discuss what is it. Okay. So I hope second question is done.
Second question is first one.
No, no need to answer, Jilani. Okay. String field means you can just write it. You have to answer when I ask the question. Okay. Fourth question. Okay. Fifth question. Okay. Sixth one. Okay. Seventh one. Okay. Eighth one. Okay. Ninth one. Okay. 10th. Okay. 11th one. Okay. 12th one. I hope you guys are done, correct? Shall we go ahead and ask question? So what is SLA completes or cancel at what state?
It is posted.
Hello.
Resolved and closed.
Resolved
First
and
you
closed.
freeze the account.
No,
Hmm?
wrong answer.
In
Close.
progress.
Just now only we saw, correct? When do the SLA complete stops? It will be on closed state, correct? Not resolved. Resolved, we are keeping pause. Because we all know that ticket may reopen when if you resolve, okay? Again, user is having a provision to reopen the ticket. So again, it will start SLA, same thing. If it is in past state, it will start from work in progress. Again, it will go to resolve. Again, it will go for closed. On hold condition, we should always add resolved also. Okay. I hope you got it. Did you understood or no?
That is understood.
So when you resolve, you are giving a user to reopen or close. If user is not responding back within 3 days, automatically it resolved to close, it will go. So hence we need to pause the SLA during the resolve state. So in the pause state, pause condition, we should add resolve equal to resolved. Okay. If it is resolved, the SLA should be paused, so that if it is closed, your SLA will complete. SL closed or cancelled, SLA will complete. I hope I have given a clarity, correct? Why it answer is 3. Everyone understood, or do you have any doubt?
You can mean same thing.
No doubt, sir. Understood.
Arti, Chandana, Abdul, Rafi, Sadiq.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understand.
Okay. So what is next?
It's acknowledged to the tickets.
Acknowledge to the ticket. First one.
Okay.
If it is an office account, then
So anyone has a different opinion?
no, sir.
Okay. If somebody is telling that is our right answer, no, don't follow. You should argue, correct? Okay. What is string field means?
String field means it is a
Character.
character.
So anything you can write, correct? String
Text.
field means
Yeah.
string is nothing but you can write a number,
Sir, this is type like text type, field type.
correct?
Hmm.
So string
Number.
means, so where do you use string field? You tell me in incident. I have told clearly. Multiple times I told. Short description, we will use string field. Okay.
Description, short description.
Yeah. Okay. What is reference field means?
Link okay, record to another table.
Yes.
Relevant.
That's correct.
Okay. Text field means?
Multi-line text field means
Yeah.
multi-line text.
Yeah.
Second one,
Suppose we are using description here. Okay. So incident SLA related information stores on which table?
Anna?
Sixth question answer I want.
Instant SLA.
Incident table. This one.
No.
Task SLA.
Instant SLA. sir.
No.
Task SLA parent SLA. So
Jilani is correct.
Task
Can
SLA.
you, Jilani, can you please help me to understand? You told right only. Okay.
Not like that.
Your answer is right, Jilani. Okay. I wanted to
Yes,
understand.
yes.
What is your answer? Can you tell me?
Instant SLA. sir.
Incident and task SLA, both it will store. Incident SLA information will store under task
And
underscore
this
SLA.
means parent and child, right?
Correct. Task underscore SLA as well as incident underscore SLA. Both tables will have incident SLA information.
Oh.
Okay. This we learned actually, but I don't know how you forgot.
क्या चेक करा ना? कौन सा रोड डाउन?
Okay. Next is Jilani. We are recording. So in the incident priority field type is What is
Choice
the
is the
priority?
correct answer.
But here it is not showing choice. The show choices it is showing, correct? When you click,
Yeah.
that is where it. See, when you click here, what it is showing, it is not showing that choice assignment group. Okay, choice only, correct. Okay, then incident state field type, this one. Guys,
Drop
what
down.
happened?
Drop down.
No, choice.
Choices only. Okay.
It
It means
down
create
will not be
two
there.
choice, sir.
Yeah, the drop down will not be there. So when you go here, configure dictionary, okay, you will find here, see here, choices is there. Again, don't get doubt. Why sir 105 is showing, but we are able to see only 5, correct?
Yes.
Correct. Your doubt should
Mm.
come here. You should ask me. I should not be telling.
Yes, sir.
Correct. These are coming from the task table. Okay. Others are coming from task table. Okay. We have a reference qualifier for incident alone to show only these many. Where do that is? We discussed about when we are discussing override incident. There is a override, correct? Uh, Parent and child override. You remember? Did you remember or no? We had a discussion, correct? What is this override? Correct? See, here is state. State field is from task table, it is coming. And when you see here, there is a override option. Only show these states they have mentioned. Okay? Understood? Anjaya, Jilani, did you guys understood why we are showing only this value?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. So now you might got what is override, correct? Okay.
Yes,
Coming back.
sir. In the task table, there are more options, but when it comes to incident, it's coming less options because of
Yeah,
dictionary overrides configuration in the business rules.
not business rule. In the dictionary override, it is written. In the
Yeah, sorry.
dictionary override, it is written that this is the only fields to show. If I remove this ones, unfortunately or fortunately, it will show all values. Okay.
This filter on last filter on new, that is a parameter.
True. If
Equal
it is a
filter on.
true, okay. True means active, correct? Active and show me only the states. It is showing, telling. Okay.
Okay.
We can also do reference qualifier. We can just go to here. Suppose where is that? Go to configure all.
Fine, sir. Sir, one instance raised in our office. Okay. I will join sometime. Sorry.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, please.
5367.
Here, Anjaya. So if you come here, how do you go? You come here, show choice list. You are saying, correct? When you say show choice list, here is the table name. You see here, which all to show in the which table. See, these are on only. You can configure copy query you can put it here. Okay. Understood? This way you can configure reference qualifier here. You are referencing, first you are coming here. Suppose somebody asks you, can you do incident override solution? What you have to go, show choice, okay? Then you have to select whichever table. If you are working in incident table, incident. If you are working in change table, you have to select change table. Suppose you are working here. Now your condition will come here, copy query. Okay. So just
Okay.
copy, put it here.
If you put here, what happen?
Only that values will show.
Oh, it is already showing, no?
No, I'm saying somebody asks you to add one more condition or remove condition, modify condition. How do you have to do it? You have to do this. Okay, from here, copy query, you have to put it here.
But if you go to the choices table for the incident, this is already there as per the, it is displaying as per
It
which
is
criteria?
there. Suppose you are going to add one more choice here. Suppose you take it, one more choice. Somebody asks you to add
Some XY, some
XYZ state, correct? So
pending,
now you have to
some.
change 9. Okay, you have to add
Okay.
one more here.
Okay,
Sequence also you have to change 9, correct?
correct.
So cancelled. Suppose in certain state. So then you need that value, correct?
Okay, we can in the choices table, for that table we can add manually here. Okay.
See here. You got it,
So
correct?
now it is got, but you're not added in the dictionary override.
It is not added because it is everywhere it will be visible now because I put condition, I didn't change this condition. If you refresh, I didn't change what they have put. All incident values show here. Okay. If I change, somebody asks you to add here, we can add here. Okay, I'm saying.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's how you need to configure override, dictionary override. So now coming back, auto assignment rules helps.
Ticketing assigning to groups.
Okay. SLA means
Service level agreement.
Service level management agreement. Service
Oh,
level agreement. Sorry, I thought SL.
okay. What is SLM?
Service
Service
level.
level management.
What is difference between SLA and SLM?
SLA, yeah, you can tell.
Yeah, you carry on.
No, you can tell he knows. Okay, he's expert. Okay. Arti, you can tell what is the SLA, what is SLM.
So SLA means it is defining service expectations. SLM.
So
Like
combination of SLA and OLA.
Okay.
SLA means it is agreement between the customer and user, between end user and company. And SLA means is a process to monitor the SLA. There is a process will be
Yeah,
defined.
process of defining and monitoring
We
on
discussed
SLAs and all.
SLM is a process which will manage SLA, OLA underpinning contract. It is a process. Nowhere you can see in the tool SLM. Okay. SLA will be there, OLA will be there, underpinning contract will be there. To manage these three, SLM is a process. Okay.
In a system under SLM, normally in HP service maintenance under SLM, this is all SLA agreement will be configured. But here not like that. No.
Mm.
Okay.
So now you have OLA, right? What is OLA?
Operation level agreement.
Okay. For you, it is easy peasy. Okay. The other thing is, I wanted to complete this one and go. So can we have an answer for this one, guys?
Each priority, how many
Don't tell me. Okay. Okay. What is next question? What is next question?
Can you be on the second question, Anna? Okay. Okay, Anna. Third, how to define time zone. Okay.
Sadik, you are able to answer this one, Sadik?
So I think adding in system properties.
Okay. Which one should be? So I will ask rotate. Okay, whoever is there in the session. Okay.
Okay.
So that
Okay.
it will. So each priority, how many SLA, OLA definitions we need to define it, Abdul?
4, sir.
Why? Only two, correct? One is response, one is resolution. Okay. The next one is why do we use holidays in schedule entry, Arti? I am coming alphabetical.
To define SLA?
No.
No.
Why do we configure SLAs, holidays? Exclude SLA running, correct? We during the holidays, SLA should not run, correct?
Yes.
Okay, this is Sadiq has already answered. Next one, which one should be lengthy in the in this SLA or OLA or underpinning contract? I might go for Rafi.
Sir, underpin. Which one should be lengthy? Sir, SLA, sir.
Why?
Why means ఒక క్లయింట్తో అగ్రిమెంట్ చేయించుకోవడానికి వీళ్ళు టైం ఎక్కువ తీసుకుంటారు సార్. వీళ్ళు టైం షెడ్యూల్ కాంటాక్ట్ మనకి ఈ టైంలో ఈ టైంకి అయిపోగొట్టాలని 1 year ఇస్తే వీళ్ళు 8 months అడుగుతారు సార్ టైం.
I think not like that. See, SLA is between customer and service provider. Okay.
Yes, sir.
OLA
Okay, sir.
is between the teams. Underpinning contract is between the service provider
Process
and
service
vendor.
provider. Vendor. Okay, sir.
Okay. Normally, for any customer, SLA, if it is 4 hours resolution, OLA is 2 hours, underpinning contract will be 2 hours. So that means this 2 includes OLA. OLA underpinning contract, both of them includes SLA. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Hope you got it correct, how this is designed. Is it requested?
Means that answer is SLA only or SLA and OLL?
I am not getting. Can you please help me to understand once again?
Which should be the lengthy one means actually SLA, right?
SLA is lengthy one. SLA will be 4 hours. OLA 2 hours. Underpinning contract 2 hours. Okay. Always like that. We will define
Okay.
any contract. If you go to customer, this will be definition.
Okay, in the bracket it is multiple choice. No, I thought there are different options. Okay, every question multiple.
No. I see. Otherwise, you will say only one. Correct.
Okay, no problem.
Is it a requested different SLA definition for each country wise in case of SLA configured Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. If is it required? Not requested. Is it required different SLAs?
Is it required different SLA definition for each country wise in case of SLA is configured Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Okay.
Yes,
Let's
no.
go. Let's go
I guess
to
it is.
now UAE, right? India. Oh, yes, Saudi Arabia. So what is the time zone for India? 5:30 plus, correct? Correct? 5:30 plus 5:30, right? What is the time zone for here? 4 hours. 4 plus this. What is the time zone? I think 3:30 or whatever. It's a different time zones, correct? Three countries are running 3 different time zones. And we are configuring 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. If it is 24/7, you don't require different SLA definitions. If it is a 9 to 5 p.m., you are working for different countries. Of course, you need, correct? You need to define UAE different, India different, Saudi Arabia different. And we discussed what is that time, correct? If we go to SLA definitions, schedule, where is schedule? What is the schedule talks? What is this schedule talks? So you have to click this one. Once you click this one, it will ask you, right? Which country you are referring, correct? If you are not defining any country here, what will happen? It will work only particular country, correct? So this is time zone you have to select, correct? This is floating means it is like that. If it is GMT, okay, it works for GMT only now, correct? Suppose you take another country, Canada, somebody is working Canada Central, correct? So Canada Central, you should apply a different time zone in certain state, correct? So that is where I mentioned this one. We required a different definitions. Yes, answer is yes. I hope you understood. Aarti, Sadik, Chandana.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you're not understanding, let me know. I can explain a few more examples. Okay, guys, don't be silent. Again, you will not be able to learn this one. If I pass this one session, next I will not come back again this topic. So underpinning contract between which two parties?
It is between
Just now I explained how you.
service provider and vendor.
If you are losing within 10 minutes, I cannot bring back. So to set up steps to set up email inbound action. I can ask who's available. Chandana, can you please help me to understand? Are you there, Chandana? What happened? Vinay, can you answer this one? If you listen, if you would have to listen. The first one, guys, we discussed, and even I have given a notes also. You are not following notes. You are not answering. I'm not sure. First, we have to set up email accounts configuration, SMTP POP3, then enable receiving and sending, configure inbound actions. Correct? These are the 3 steps. How many types we have inbound actions in incident? Aarti, can you answer?
Oh, 2 types.
We have forward also, ma. Okay. 3
Okay,
types.
sir.
New update, forward. In case of somebody forwarding mail, that also we have to consider, correct?
Okay, sir.
How to edit modules? How to edit modules? How do you edit here? We discussed this one, correct? Click this edit module. Correct or no? Okay. While changing priority, SLA or OLA has to be on which state? Suppose P1 to P2, you are changing the ticket. What is the existing SLA has to be? Now P1 ticket, okay, I change to P2.
Yeah, it should be paused.
Okay. So this is what I wanted to say something. And 6.1.7.1 is done. 7.2 is pending now. 7.2 we will do it later. Before that, I wanted to explain 2-3 topics. Okay. I think I have seen our Abdul and Rafi was doing something. Okay. When they are doing any business rule, suppose SS rules, right? Under system definition, this is the rule which Anjaya configured. This is Anjaya system. Anjaya try to configure, correct? So while doing anything here, you do any kind of a filter condition. Now, when you go here, correct? What you do is you first, suppose if you want to select subcategory, you cannot directly select a subcategory. Why? Because in system, there is always dependent category. If you select inquiry and help, the following subcategories will show. That means this is a parent and this is a child, right? First you should set parent, then you should select, you should set subcategory. The same way, first you should be able to set assignment group, then you should be able to set assign to. Otherwise, it will malfunction the system. What is that? It will not work as expected. So mainly these are the 2 dependent fields. At the same time, we also discussed you cannot set directly priority. We discussed you always has to set impact and urgency, correct? So whenever you are working on this area, make sure you should have an idea to first set the parent value, then you set the subcategory. Suppose you are setting software, correct, category, and you are trying to put antivirus, will not work. Understood? Under software, whatever email is there, it will only, you have to configure software and email. You cannot configure inquiry and email. You cannot configure software and some other inquiry subcategories, which is antivirus. I hope you are getting what I'm trying to explain. Rafi, Abdul, Sadiq.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Category, subcategory, always you have to first select category, then you have to select subcategory. Otherwise, subcategory directly you cannot place it. Even if you place it, what will happen is it will show you on the front end, but it will not work as expected because you are setting forcefully. The same way assignment group and assignment group members. If you are not selecting database, under database somebody is there, they will not be able to see. Based on the database only, it will show whoever is a part of database. Suppose you are setting some software group and you are setting this guy as a auto assigning, which will not, which will may work, but it is a force. When you try to update, it will not validate. It will give a data validation or some validations. Okay. I hope you got it. What is behind this, correct? So that you need to make sure and you should be working on it. The next one, suppose you are going to join in any other company, okay? So either you are in ServiceNow team or you are into software support, you are into server support, network support, any kind of a job. The first place, if you want to check my to-do list, my work. So that means when you type my work, the tickets assigned to you will show under my work, under service desk, okay, my work. Suppose you have some tickets, okay, which you want to monitor what is their SLA, you can check under SLA my work, correct? So now let's go to one of the guy. We will take as impersonate, we'll take guy able tutor, correct? We are impersonating him, okay? So I want to see my work, correct? The tickets assigned to him, if there is any tickets, it will come here. Again, there is a filter automatically. Ticket is active, assigned to this guy. If ticket is not pending, it will show, correct? So my work by default module, it is called module where you can see. Suppose you want to see my group tickets. This is my group work. The tickets, whichever you are part of, okay. Once you log in, whichever you are part of that group, he is part of service desk, okay. So hence he is getting all service desk. If he is part of 5 groups, all 5 groups tickets will show here. Or most important, if you are not working in service now as an administrator, if your organization, wherever you are joining, that organization is using ServiceNow, you should know this one, my group work and my work, right? So you can see all the tickets assigned to you. you can see here all the tickets which are going to expire and breach, it will show here. Okay. So now coming back, group, correct? So group also having my work SLA also. So which all are tickets breach? See, you see, you can see like this, how much percentage. Normally, if it is 75%, immediately what I will do, I will open this ticket, update in progress to on hold, in progress to resolve, correct? That's what our intended to do it, our job to do it, correct? So here you will get for each record 2-3 SLAs, because each record you have a different definition here. See, 20 itself you have multiple times. So these many priorities, these many SLA definitions are tagged here. But if you update one ticket, one record, automatically all will get into pass based on their condition. If you resolve it, it will go to pass condition. If you close it, it will close complete. Correct? These are the very important things. Okay. What is that? My work, my group work. Even if you are not working in ServiceNow, these are very important for you. Okay. I hope I have given a clarity, correct? So any further doubts on this? And for other one, very important thing. So whenever we are logging into ServiceNow as administrator, users, type user. We all know that user is a because we are impersonating, he doesn't have admin rights, he cannot see users. Users, right? When you go to user, always under user administration, there is a users. Okay. If you want somebody told, can you check this guy? Okay. First you opened, you are able to see this guy. But if it starts with yes, correct? You cannot see. What you do? You do this way, correct? Search. Then you have to open him and see what is his properties. Like property is nothing but user ID, first name, last name, which department he belongs to, email ID, okay, and his time zone, phone numbers, all those things, correct? Now, if somebody asks you in your organization, can you help him to provide a ITAL access? What is ITAL? We know that it's a fulfiller access, correct? Or provide a some approval admin, provide a approver underscore user, whatever role. Where do you go ahead and provide? You come here, okay, edit. Suppose I'm adding him approver underscore user. Right? I am going to select here, right click here, save it and save it, so that he got approver underscore user access. So that's how you need to provide a access to the roles. In case somebody asks you to add role, to provide it like this. Again, somebody asks you to add a group, correct? He is part of service desk. Now you want to add one more group, database. How do you select? In case you want to be all groups, you select all, right click all. Okay, save it. So now we got how to add role, how to add groups, correct? So when you refresh it, you will get it. All groups, he is part of it now. Correct? Now the other part is all organizations, what they will do is they will not give roles directly here. What they will do is they will go to here, they will take any group, okay, service desk, and go and provide roles here, so that only we are providing role to group. Once we add that user into group, automatically he will get a role. Suppose I am going to Hyderabad to Delhi in the flight, right? That flight is having a all are business class only. Suppose take it. Once I get into flight, obviously I have to sit in business class only, correct? So that means we are providing directly to the group roles. Whoever is joining in that group, automatically they will get a role. I hope you understood, correct? You are getting, or you are not getting? Sadiq, Arti, Chandana, Anjaya.
Yes, Anna.
Chandana? Guys,
Yes,
if
sir.
you are not able to understand, let me answer. I will give you some other examples.
Yeah, sir. Understood.
So you are directly providing a role to the group. So that means whenever you join to that group, automatically you will get a role. Okay. So what all organizations will do is they will provide a role to the group. So once role is added to the group, whoever is part of that group, automatically they will get a role. No need to give everyone. You have to just give it to group. Okay. So that is how the group will be added to the user and roles to be added to the users. Okay. So that is one.
But if we go to the user record, will that role appear in the user record also?
Yeah, it will see once you add here group, automatically it will come here. See, now if you go to edit rule here roles, what is there? Only approver is there, nothing is there. But still, if you see here, all roles are there, right? Here, how did it came? It is inherited from the group.
Okay.
What is that? It is inherited from the group. All the roles are inherited from the group. See here it is showing inherited roles. This is all coming from group. If I add this one, approval underscore user or maybe approval admin, I will add it. So what did it shows? Where is that approval underscore? A to Z. See here, it is showing false, which I added just now. Correct? It is not from the group. You are given directly to the user. It is saying. I hope you understood, correct? What is inherited, what is not inherited. Okay, that is one thing which I wanted to tell today. Now coming back, the other part is groups. So when you type here groups, somebody has given 10 members. Okay, under user administration only it will be there, groups and users, correct? Somebody has given Mr. Gangadhar, can you please add 10 members into this group, correct? What do? I will open group. If they are giving only for one user, I will search from user. If they are giving, either way you can do it. Okay, you can search user and add the group, or you can search the group, add the members. Correct? Now I will go ahead and add some Alex, whatever. I will select these all guys. I'll add it to this group. So now whoever I have added, for them automatically role has come. It will not show immediately, you have to refresh. See, now earlier it was 7, now 3 is added, 10 has become. This 3 we have added now, correct? 3 or 4 we have added. So now if I open and see these guys, automatically these guys will have a role, see. correct? These guys will have a roles and they will have a group also. See, one more flag, the user is logged out means inactive. If I make this one, it has to automatically, it will become like this, okay? Suppose if you are using user for integration, you have to tick this one, okay? So integration users will not log in, correct? It is just user will to authenticate for other tool to connect the service now. So even this two should be tick for integration users. Okay. If somebody asks you to reset the password for ServiceNow, suppose it is always ServiceNow is integrated with Active Directory as we discussed SSO, correct? Once I log in into this system, my system, if I am belongs to XYZ company, if I'm using XYZ ServiceNow, XYZ company ServiceNow, once I log in into the system, automatically I am able to log in into ServiceNow if I have access in ServiceNow, correct? So that is SSO. Now somebody know I want to reset my password. I want to log in only into ServiceNow. Here you can do set the password. When you click this, you have a generate password option. If you want to see, you can see here. If you want to copy, you can copy here and share with them so that they can log in by you providing this user ID and this password. So you want to generate other one, you can keep on generate smaller one. Yeah, you can copy now, save, okay, and close it. So once you are done, see a password reset is required. It is mentioned automatically. In case if you don't want, you can still go ahead and save it and use this username and password which we got it from there. That you can put and log in into the service now. I hope you understood, correct? So this is one thing. So coming back again, group. We discussed group. Group, how to add, we have seen. Roles for group, you can add here. ITL role only they have added. ITL. In case somebody asks, no, I want to have approval admin also. What you will do? You will do this. Somebody asks, no, I want to have what is that? Report admin. Most of them they will use reports creation, correct? This one. So just add to this group. Whoever is part of this group, all will get report admin, approval admin group. This is about groups and users, my work and my group work. Any further doubts on these topics, guys? If you are not answering, I don't know whether you are able to understand or not.
No
See,
doubts.
I got a complaint that I am little bit fast. Rafi, are you agreeing with that?
Yes, sir.
That means I am fast or slow?
Fast, sir. Little bit slow. Go. Will understand.
What about Abdul?
సార్ సేమ్ సార్ అంటే కొంచెం స్లోగా అంటే ఒకటి గుర్తుండే లోపలే ఇంకోటి సార్ కాబట్టి అది ఇది మర్చిపోతున్నాను అది చెప్పేటప్పుడు కొంచెం ఫాస్ట్ ఉంది కాబట్టి
Okay.
కొంచెం
What? Arti, what about you?
I think she left, sir.
Okay. Sadiq, what about you?
Same, sir. Little bit.
Inka slow, how do we manage? How many days we have to go?